This is Mr. Martin. In this video I'm going through problem number 2 in the Solving Rational Functions packet on the Practice Makes Permanent. So if you had some trouble on this, you can use this video to walk you through. So like we did in the other example, we're going to need to find a common denominator. So what I'm going to do first is see if this denominator over here factors. So that's going to be 4 over, and that's going to be an x, and that'll be an x. It's got to be factors of 12 that add up to 8, so that would be 6 and 2. And since it's minus 8 and plus 12, these will both be negative. Alright, so I can see my, since this denominator is x minus 2, and I have that over here, and this denominator is x minus 6, and I have that over here, the denominator on the left is what my common denominator is. So I'm going to get a common denominator for everything. So I have x over x minus 2 times, I need my x minus 6, so over x minus 6 plus 1 over x minus 6, and for this one I need my x minus 2. So I've got x minus 2 over x minus 2. And we'll do a little bit of simplifying. So I've got 4 over x minus 6 times x minus 2. And then over here I'm going to distribute, so that's going to be x squared minus 6x. And then distribute over there, it's just a 1, so that's going to be plus x minus 2. And that's all going to be over our, oh, that should be a 6 over there. You guys probably caught that already. X minus 2 times x minus 6. Alright, and this is our key point here, because now that my denominators on each side of the equal sign are the same, in order for these fractions to be the same, the numerators have to be the same. So that means that 4 has to equal x squared. I'm going to combine my like terms here, so that's minus 5x minus 2. Since it's a quadratic, I'm going to bring everything over to one side. 0 is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 6. I'm going to check to see if this factors. So an x and an x. I need factors of 6 that add to 5. So that would be a 6 and a 1. Since it's negative 5, I'll make the 6 negative. I'll make that positive. So this one factored, so it makes the process a little bit easier. And let's make sure I did that right. So minus 6x plus 1x is plus 5x. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so I've got x is equal to 6, and I've got x is equal to negative 1. And then the last thing I have to do is check for extraneous solutions. If I plug 6 into my denominator, am I going to get 0? Yes, I'm going to get a 0 right here. So this one is extraneous. Okay, if I plug negative 1 in, I'm not going to get 0 in either of my denominators. So basically I have one solution. It's going to be x is equal to negative 1, and x equals 6 is going to be extraneous. So as always, if you had questions, make sure that you pause the video, write those down, ask me when you see me, and we'll see you in the next video.